Hi everyone, I am getting festive today. I've got my Christmas jumper on. Emily has got a friend to play, so I'm sorry if can you hear? Okay, they were very loud a second ago. She's got a friend to play, and I'm going to try and get festive today. I've got tons to do, tons to catch up with. I'm still putting decorations up. I've made a tiny bit of progress with some wrapping, but I still haven't made my wreath, so this is probably the latest I've ever been with getting things like that done. We went out and went looking for nice things that we could put on the wreath. I've found some beautiful holly this year, so I'm going to do that. I can do a bit of decorating on the mantelpiece as well, because I haven't done that yet. So yeah, those are things that I want to do, and I also think I'm going to bake some cookies today. I'm going to do some gingerbread, and if I've got a chance, and if I've got enough golden syrup, I think I'll probably make some flapjacks. So yeah, come along with me while I'm getting festive today. Right, so the first thing that I want to do is some orange slices. Just want to dry them in the oven. I love doing it. The oven's on. I've got luckily I have two ovens, so I can cook at more than one temperature. And I'm just going to put them in at 120 for a couple of hours to dry them out. So I've just got a grease proof. I am protecting the tabletop, because I'm going to make my wreath in a minute. And just a little tip is that I use old children's party tablecloths to protect things, and obviously when I'm making the wreath I can then scoop everything up and put it straight out and shake it all out into the compost bin, so I'm not creating waste. And I love doing that, and then I just wipe the tablecloths off and I use them again and again, and it's just a really cheap way of protecting things, but also perhaps, you know, I don't want to throw this kind of plastic in the bin. I want to use things like this as much as I can. They're also pretty for decorating, you know, when you're doing DIY. So anyway, I'm going to get on and do the oranges. I also decided to do some apple slices, and these are russet apples that have got a nice browny coloured skin. So they're going to go in the oven now for a couple of hours while I'm doing other things. So now I'm going to get on and make the gingerbread cookies. It's a really simple recipe, and I will link the recipe down below. I've been doing it for a while and it always works out really well. So they end up being quite soft and chewy rather than a hard gingerbread. So yeah, so they're really delicious. I have just taken my apples and my oranges out of the oven. A couple of the oranges have kind of caramelised a little bit because I went outside to wash the cars, so I probably left them in slightly too long, but the apple slices have come up really well. I'm going to make a decoration with them later. I got these pretty decorations, and what I'm doing is I'm just gently popping some glue on, and then I'm putting some spice, some mixed spice on them, just to make them a little bit more interesting, because they're just MDF shapes. So I'm just doing this, and they smell amazing. So I'm just gonna sprinkle it with the spices and and just gently rub it into the glue, just to make them look a little bit more rustic, a bit more nice, like that. And they smell amazing. So it's now nearly 7:30. I've got so much done today. I've really tried to get on with decorating. I've done a load of baking. The orange slices didn't work. I think it's because I used the wrong kind of oranges. I was using satsumas and they're just too squashy, and I left them in the oven too long, so I went out and washed the car. So, but anyway, the apple slices I think have worked quite well. I don't know if you can see, but actually I'm quite happy with those. And I quite like the fact that they kind of look like a star in the middle, like a star anise. So I'm going to do something with those and make some sort of decoration. But yeah, thank you for joining me today. So glad that I started getting festive. Please leave me a comment and let me know what you're doing to get ready for Christmas, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!